Welcome to Windermere Estates, a luxurious gated townhome community in the heart of Wesley Chapel. This community offers a maintenance-free lifestyle just minutes from Wiregrass Mall, Tampa Premium Outlets, major retail stores, and 3 hospitals, Advent Health, Bay Care, and Orlando Health, coming soon, across street from Pasco-Hernando Community College. Enjoy proximity to restaurants, a sports complex, and major highways. This stunning 2-story townhome features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathroom, a bonus room, and a 2-car garage. The open concept design boasts numerous upgrades. Upon entering, you are greeted by a foyer leading to a spacious great room. The first floor includes a half bath tucked away beside the laundry room, accessible from the garage. The kitchen, open to the family and dining rooms, features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, ample 42 cabinets with crown molding, breakfast bar on a large center island, fabulous walk-in pantry under the stairs. Downstairs, you will find porcelain tile flooring and a spacious screened-in lanai off the dining room. Upstairs will find wood flooring. The master suite includes a huge walk-in closet and a master bath with dual vanities, a large walk-in shower, and a separate water closet. 2 additional spacious bedrooms with walk-in closets and a bonus room complete the second floor. Additional features: quartz countertops in the kitchen and all bathrooms, real wood flooring upstairs and in the upstairs bathrooms, large tile flooring in the master bath with a glass shower, custom unique lighting in every room, including extra can lighting, wainscoting and 5-inch baseboards throughout the house, double oven and smart refrigerator that controls the oven and TVs, steam sanitizer washer and dryer, hood oven and new Bosch dishwasher, 2024, cellular window shade for the sliding glass door, hanging storage in the garage, epoxy garage flooring, Kohler toilet in the first floor bathroom, wall fireplaces in the downstairs family room and the upstairs movie room, completed laundry room with shelves, a folding table, and a pottery barn drying rack. Porcelain tile downstairs with gray cabinets in the kitchen and a glass aqua subway tile backsplash. This fantastic floor